Error 5. Main brush jammed. Clean main brush and bearings.
Main brush jam or error. We've recently moved house and the whole house is carpeted. This thing's been going off every 5 meters squared. Just jam, error. It's annoying me. Sure, it's annoying you. That's why you're here. But before we get started in trying to see if we can fix this, there's no guarantees I can actually fix this for you. At the end of the day, it might be a motherboard issue for you, which at that point it's not worth fixing. You either sell it for parts, get yourself a new one. But let's give this a crack. So just in case you're new and for whatever reason you've never actually cleaned the main brush, is you want to pull it out and inspect, well, see if it's free spinning, there's no jams. Pull it open and check the brush. Clear it all out from all hair. Now there's this little bit here on the end. You can pull that out and see if that's jammed with hair and clean it all out and put it back in and then see if it free spins before you do anything else. Now there is a tool on the other side which is fantastic. It lives in here, which mine's been pulled out, that actually cuts through all the hair. So pull that out and do that. Now, after doing that, you give it another try and see if it's working. If you're still getting the same main brush error, jam, the next stage is to actually go back and pull out the main brush altogether. Put it back in and turn it on and see if it gets the error again. If it gets the error, it's more likely the motor and the gearbox, which we'll get to later on, how to disassemble and get to it. But if you're going around and it's doing the whole floor without the error, something else is going on. More likely what happened to me. So these are aftermarket brushes, and the length on them is, on the brush to the center, well, it's not really that, it's more from the center to the edge. You're probably looking at 21 mil. And what happens is when you have these in, for me in particular, and it's all propped in correctly, that it actually sits up just a little bit past the metal, couple mils. And because it's such a thick pile carpet, the thick pile carpet actually sags into here, causing a lot of friction and therefore drag. Talking about friction, if your main brush is really fluffy looking, it could be that there's causing too much friction and you just need to replace the main brush. Also, it may be worth getting the original one, not an aftermarket one. So with that being said, I noticed in my dustbin that instead of normal hair and dirt that I was mostly getting in the previous house, it was very, very dense fluff, wool. Very dense, far denser than this. And I was thinking, well, this must be just rubbing too hard on the carpet. So what I did go ahead to fix my problem is, you can see the video, is that I've actually gone ahead and cut off all the rubber and cut off about 2 mils of the brush. And I've gone and tried this and it's worked perfectly. No issues, no jamming, ran the whole carpet, no problems. So it's either these aftermarket brush sets aren't made to spec and it's causing too much friction, or your model is really struggling on thick pile, which a newer model might not have that issue, but this is a S6 series Roborock. They're fantastic vacuum cleaners. Is getting. So I cut that all down, plugged it back in, and I was good as gold. Now, if it is a main motor, we'll go to that now, disassemble it, and there's things to look out there for as well. But this has fixed my issue. I'm more than happy to cut down a few of these brushes on the side to fix the issue. In the meantime, if you like my video, like, subscribe if this has helped you. If anyone would like to comment on the clearances on these brushes to see if you've got an original to see how far it actually sits down. Just comment on below, that can help people. So yeah, that looks like it's like 20, 21 mil. So if someone's got an original out there, chuck it in the comments. Let's see if these things are larger than the originals. So there's still a lot of agitation on the carpet still. You can't see too much from the light, but